Welcome. In my last video, we have studied the ergodic theorem for irreducible Markov chain. Prior to that, we have already covered the limiting distribution, in which we have used several methods for finding the limiting distribution. But here, we shall consider some problems to find the limiting distribution of finite irreducible Markov chains using ergodic theorem. Now, let us start with a very small example having two states. Then we shall consider another problem, a Markov chain having three states, and similar problems with higher number of states can also be solved using this method, and it is very easy and quicker method to find the limiting distribution when the Markov chain is irreducible. Now let us start our lecture. Now consider a very small problem to start with. Consider a Markov chain with two states. That is, the state space S equal to only 1, 2, and the transition probability matrix given by P equal to 1 minus A, this is B, 1 minus B. So here A, B lies between 0 to 1. Now we have to find the limiting distribution. Now using ergodic theorem, we have limit n tends to infinity p jk n, that is equal to nu k. So that is equal to summation over j nu j p jk n. That is equal to summation over j nu j p jk n equal to 1. So using this, for k equal to 1, we get nu k or nu 1 equal to 1 minus A, nu 1 plus B, nu 2. And for k equal to 2, we get nu 2 equal to A, nu 1 plus 1 minus B, nu 2, and we have nu 1 plus nu 2 equal to 1. Now, solving these two equations, we can get nu 1 equal to B by A plus B and nu 2 equal to a by a plus b. So nu1 equal to limit n tends to infinity p j1 n. So this will be equal to b by a plus b, j equal to 1 and 2, and nu2 equal to limit n tends to infinity p j2 n, that is equal to a by a plus b and j equal to 1 2. So we get limit n tends to infinity p to the power n. So this will be equal to, here it will be b by a plus b, this will be a by a plus b, and this is again b by a plus b, a by a plus b. So this will be 1 by a plus b all into ba and ba. So this is the limiting distribution of the Markov chain. So Markov chain here, it is irreducible. Now consider another example. And as we have seen here, it is the simplest way for finding the limiting distribution. So here consider another Markov chain with state space S equal to 1, 2, 3, 3 states, and transition probability matrix given by P equal to this 0, 2 by 3, 1 by 3, half, 0, and half, then half, half, 0. Now proceeding in the similar manner, we can write here, we can easily verify that the Markov chain is irreducible because all the states are communicable with each other. We can verify this by using the transition graph. We can draw the transition graph here. Now using ergodic theorem, we can write nu1 equal to 0 into nu1 plus 1 by 2 into nu2 plus 1 by 2 into nu3, and nu2 equal to 2 by 3 nu1 plus 0 into nu2 plus 1 by 2 into nu3, and nu3 equal to 1 by 2, sorry, 1 by 3 nu1 plus 1 by 2 nu2 plus 0 into nu3, and nu1 plus nu2 plus nu3 equal to 1. So solving these equations, we can get nu1 equal to limit n tends to infinity pj1 n. So that is equal to 9 by 27. Nu2 equal to limit n tends to infinity pj2 n. So that will be equal to 10 by 27, and nu3 equal to limit n tends to infinity p j3 n, that is equal to 8 by 27. So nu1 plus nu2 plus nu3 equal to 1, and j here in all these cases j equal to 1 to 3. So limit n tends to infinity p to the power n that will be equal to 9 by 27, 10 by 27 and 8 by 27. Here also 9 by 27, 10 by 27, 8 by 27, and this is 9 by 27, 10 by 27, 8 by 27. It is identical rows. So here these are two problems that we have solved by using ergodic theorem for finding the limiting distribution, and it is very easy and you can solve for other problems using the similar approach. Thank you. Thank you for enjoying the lecture.